What's going on, RicoCap family and traders? I'm going to go ahead and give y'all my recap today. July the 3rd, day before July 4th. Happy holidays, right? Monster day today. Look at this. We absolutely killed it today. Two trades for Q and SPY, both calls right near open. And I'm going to show y'all how we did that. But before I do that, I need to get y'all to understand how and what I was looking at going into today right here. So this was our setup for the week. Notice how we, the past couple of days ended up selling off, holding a RicoCap demand, bouncing right back up, and we closed yesterday at that supply, now turned demand. The plan was if we open up above this or over this, at least hold, we're running to new all-time highs, and that's for QQQ. And that's exactly what I said last night on the plans. So before I show you the plans as well, we can take a look at SPY. Same thing. We held the demand, ripped higher into new all-time highs. And this is my plans for last night. As you can see, last night, 7-Eleven, I posted them July the 2nd right here. So last night I said for today, we killed it that day, keeping it simple, and just outlining pretty much how after defending, QQQ defended 477, 478, it blasted to near or new all-time highs at 486 supply zone, which was exactly this right here, this 486. So we're right here with it, and so the plan was. Tech is very strong right now, so let's see if market blasts higher. We did have a lot of economical news today, PMI, other stuff. So that was going on with Powell speaking later in the day. So I knew, if the news went well, market wants to run really hard here, and it doesn't really care about the news, or else we wouldn't have ran up to new or close to new all-time highs. So overnight, we did but we did push up higher than the zone, and we were kind of pushing back into it pre-market. And my thought processes was this: if we break the zone, we'll probably drop back down to 484. I'll look to slam some calls there, but I don't think we would end up doing that. So as long as we held this above 486.86, which is this top line right there of the demand right there, calls can work, and that's exactly what I said right there. So above 486.86, the 490 call to Friday date, heavy size. I want you guys to go heavy because that's exactly what I'm going for, and that's exactly what we did. So as we came out here on the 15, I saw this right here. We got the 15-minute candle open above it. I slammed the 490 strike just like the plans. Got them for $90 a contract right here. And it was a little choppy for the next 30 minutes. We did retest, huge wick out of that on the next 15. I knew we were solid here. More news came out. This was a red candle. I wasn't sweating a bit. We wicked out of this again. Actually didn't really touch. We came back. Next one came out, huge strong push up. Our premium started moving, and I knew we were off to the races. All the news is out of the way. Powell was just going to talk at the end of the day. And we completely just ripped all the way from there. And our calls, our 490 strike calls for QQ ran to 250 plus. Absolute banger there. And it went according to plan. I even said above this should run to 488 and 490, putting our calls in the money. And we ran to 491 area, 491. Yeah, so it was a solid move up, and I was a little shocked at how well it went. But when you're trusting the zones, everything goes right. So amazing play for QQQ there. Now SPY, the game plan today was after we ripped above 543, 544, which was this down here. Same thing. SPY ran to 548, kind of new all-time highs. We had one level above that, but I wasn't considering it new all-time highs because it was pre-market level. So pretty much just kind of two levels, two pre-market levels. I didn't really count them unless it's market open. So I want to see if Powell can get us higher. So above 548.55, heavy size on the 551s. And so we came out above the 548.55 right here. We pretty much did the same thing, how it kind of gapped up there, ended up eating it. We dipped back into there, and at open I slammed these right away. because we got that 15-minute candle open up there, and it was beautiful. We got those as well for $90 contract. I think those Qs were like 95, but in the 90s, both contracts. So SPY 90 as well, and they worked immediately. We kind of bounced around again. Still, I knew we would come touch our 549.52 level. From there, we just kind of let it go, knowing this is bullish. And I told the team, hold on tight. This is gonna run. So we let it go and completely ran up to 551 and putting those calls in the money for us. And it was just a solid trade. Those hit a high of around, I think, 160-ish, 170-ish plus. So we slammed the 551 calls right there, and they ran all the way up. So double banger for us. Only 2 trades, and that was it for us. We did less, slammed them, and let it go right there. I even said, kind of in the game plans this morning as well, was I'm pretty much just looking for dips to buy and things like that. So I'm looking for calls and things for the market to hold, sure, but I'm also looking, we have news and things like that. I'm telling everyone just to buckle up. SPY calls, slam them right at open. This is a minute after market open, and I'm taking them. Of course, I'm alerting on my private Twitter right here for all the trades as well, and we're actually killing it. So pre-market, the plans were this: morning team, SPY Q kind of break even. We have news, Fed meeting. I'll be looking for dips to go long. Q dips to 42, like I said. If it ends up pulling down here, I'm definitely slamming those calls all in this area. I'm slamming those calls all day. But we didn't get there, and I knew we wouldn't. Like I said, I'm going to stay patient. Let's keep it simple and win. And, of course, I saw the opportunity, and I slammed them right at open. And we're getting it on the way up. Beautiful day today. Just want to give you all the recap on that. Solid. If you want the RicoCap zones, guys, $10 a week gets you this edge. They're posted every night on the game plans. You get access to the zones, and every night you're getting the game plans. Above this, slam this. Below this, slam this. And they work perfectly, guys. So go ahead and give them a try. If this is something you want to incorporate in your trading style, I highly recommend it. It's definitely something to keep you on the right side of things and know and understand where buyers are at, where sellers are at right here. So it doesn't get any more simpler than that. Easy as that, guys. So do less, win more. The more you know, the more information you have, the more you learn, the more you earn. So I just want to give you all a quick recap on how today and how monster it was. 2 trades for us. We killed it. Easy work. Join the team, $50 a month. Mentorship with me as well. We're doing a special. Basically half off this month only. So go ahead, use the code MENTEE50 for 50% off for this month. We'll work one-on-one every weekend and get you right. I will tell you what you need to do to go into the market the next day with my strategy and win. And that's the thing. I want to see consistency out of you. I'll answer any questions you have, and I'll put you through that boot camp to start making money, because we're here to win. We're here to make money. We're here to elevate our personal lives, our family's lives, everything around us. So go ahead and tap in with the team. Also follow RicoCapital Twitter, main Twitter, guys. I do post free stuff on there. Same thing. I posted that SPY play for free on my main Twitter. So I didn't post the QQQ. I did post the SPY one, and of course, if you saw that and jumped in that, you would have banked today as well. So I'm trying to give back as much as I can, as well as honoring my members as well. So feel free to join the team, or even the Discord is free. Get in here and talk shop with us, and have fun with it, right? Just have fun with it. So appreciate you guys watching this video, and keep an eye out for the next one as well. I'm going to keep pumping it out for y'all. Of course, appreciate RicoCap family and any new traders watching. Subscribe, like the video, send it to somebody you care. Follow the RicoCapital on Twitter, on TikTok as well. Tap in, guys. Let's make some money.